Trade unions and farmer organizations have called for a nationwide strike on February 12th. The impact of this Bharat Bandh is likely to be seen in Madhya Pradesh as well. Employees of government and private banks, BSNL's insurance companies, and the postal departments are expected to join the strike. Many central government offices may also remain affected. In Bhopal, workers and union members will gather at one place to hold protest and a public meeting. Banking services and some government services could face disruption during the day. However, railway services are expected to function normally. Officials are keeping a close watch on the situation across the state. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has announced that an Ayurvedic AIIMS will be established in Ujjain. He said this institute will promote Ayurveda treatment, education and research in the state. The announcement was made during a public event where the foundation stone of the Hariya Khedi water supply project was also laid. The Chief Minister flagged off vehicles for door-to-door waste collection as part of cleanliness efforts. He said the government is continuously working to strengthen healthcare, sanitation and drinking water facilities. Local residents welcomed the announcement and said the new institute will improve medical services and create employment opportunities. An engineer narrowly escaped serious injury after an alleged attempt to run him over with a JCB machine at an Indore Metro Rail project site. According to reports, a dispute broke out during inspection work at the construction site. During the argument, the accused allegedly tried to drive the JCB towards the engineer. A video of the incident has surfaced on social media. The engineer managed to step back in time and avoided major injuries. Police have registered a case and started an investigation. Sources say there had been earlier disagreement between the contractor and the engineers regarding work procedures and rule at the site. A major theft was reported in Shivpuri where thieves entered a house at night through the roof. They broke the lock and stole valuable worth around rupees 1.5 crore. The stolen items include 1 kilogram gold, 2.5 kilogram silver and rupees 20 lakhs in cash. The incident took place on the first floor of the house. The family informed the police after discovering the theft. Police teams are checking CCTV footage and questioning people in nearby areas to identify the suspects. Investigation is underway. Preparations are in the final stage for a mass wedding ceremony of 301 couples at Bageshwar Dham in Khajuraho on February 15, the occasion of Mahashivratri. Cultural program will begin from February 12th and continue for 3 days. Organizers expect nearly 10 to 12 lakhs devotees to attend the event. Food arrangements are being made for a large number of visitors. Special sweets like rabri from Nagpur and rasgullas from Rajasthan are being brought for guests. The event area covered around 100 acres. 11 decorative entrance gates have been constructed for the ceremony, inspired by arrangements seen during the Mahakumbh event. In Morena district, a retired army man allegedly shot a cement trader on Wednesday morning. The incident took place when the accused reportedly knocked on the trader's door and called him by name. As soon as the trader opened the door, the accused allegedly fired at him. The bullets passed through his ribs and got lodged in his stomach. The injured trader, identified as Krishnakant Shukla, was first taken to a hospital in Gwalior and later referred to Delhi in critical condition. He is currently admitted in the ICU. Police have registered a case and are investigating the motive behind the attack. Weather conditions in Madhya Pradesh are showing mixed trends. In cities like Bhopal, Indore and 15 other places, day temperatures have crossed 30 degrees Celsius. At the same time, nights are still cold. In at least 11 cities, the minimum temperature has fallen below 10 degrees Celsius. The meteorological department said strong sunlight during the day is causing temperature to rise, while clear sky at night are leading to cooler conditions. This difference between day and night temperatures may continue for the next few days. Residents are advised to take precautions to avoid seasonal illnesses caused by sudden weather changes.